Hi, this is Katina, and I am here with Dr. Kathy Mulcahy. She is the other director of the Mason Summer Clarinet Academy online that we're doing this year, and we thought it would be fun to talk to everybody together about what our program has this year. So, hey, Kathy.
Hi.
We run the program together, and we are still going to keep a lot of the aspects of the Mason Summer Clarinet Academy going. So we're still going to have the clinics and the master classes. One of the challenges that we were facing was, how do we do clarinet choir, because it's a big part of it for us. But now we're going to do it as those multi-track videos that you see with all the little boxes of people playing, and we're going to do that. So Kathy, can you talk a little bit about that?
It's different, and it certainly takes a lot of work on the part of each individual, practicing with a metronome going and the beat, and that's something that we're really going to help you guys with. And we have structured more individual time with you guys. So some private lessons, some very small group sessions like breakout sessions in different Zoom rooms, and also give people a little downtime. So we're not going to expect you to be sitting on your computer for 6 straight hours. We've built in some time where you can do individual practice or just take a little time off for the day if you just need, a little break. But I really think we can come up with a nice project at the end. And we do have a professional recording engineer that's going to help us put it all together in the end. So
what I'm really excited about with this is these are 21st century musician skills that we did not have the opportunity to work on before. How to use a click track and to make a recording. So now we have that opportunity, which I'm really excited about. And you're not going to need any fancy equipment. We're going to work with what you have. If you're able to be even watching this video, you have the technology to do this. And we don't want you to feel limited by not having professional microphones and things like that. Really, to do a click track, you just need a pair of headphones and some kind of microphone. It can be an internal or an external mic. So these are going to be videos that you'll be able to take with you. Another benefit is we're able to get some guest artists that normally were too busy or too far away to get to us. So that is very exciting for us as well. So we have Seth Kibel. He is a jazz and klezmer artist, award-winning Baltimore, Washington, D.C. area. He's going to come in and do a jazz workshop with us.
He's worked for us before, and he is so fun and entertaining. So again, even though it's online, I have all the confidence it'll be super entertaining, and it'll also be interactive.
Yes.
He had people improvising last year.
You'll be muted, so you can just go ahead and play along at home, which actually I didn't even think about that till now.
Yeah, that's true. You could just do it at home and have no one else hear you, but you could try it out anyway.
Seth is sponsored by Rovner Products, so Rovner ligatures, and they still are offering some ligature giveaways to people that come, and they'll send the ligatures. And then our next artist that I wanted to talk about is Berberian, and the Air Force Band, the United States Air Force Band is sponsoring her clinic, and hers is on Armenian clarinet playing, which I don't really know anything about. When Kathy and I started the Mason Summer Clarinet Academy, we wanted to bring people in that do clarinet in a way that's very different than what we're used to. So we were excited when Ani was able to come work with us. So she'll be doing a session on the Armenian clarinet playing. And then we have Wes Rice from Rice Clarinet Works, which he's, that company, which is his company, is sponsoring his clinic. And he's going to do clarinet maintenance and just general answer repair questions. I think his is a really important clinic for us.
The point is how to maintain it, but also to recognize, so that even if you know, oh my gosh, this pad isn't sealing, you could take it to a repair person and know how to diagnose what's wrong with your clarinet. And something I think will be cool too about having that online is I think we'll be able to really see up close what he's doing.
Then we have some clarinetists from the United States Army Band coming in to play for us, answer questions, talk about their lives as, performing musicians in a military band. So we've had the military band clarinetists come in for the past 4 years, and it's very, very interesting. People ask great questions, and they've got great answers because they have such a unique experience as musicians. And then lastly, but not least, we have Ricardo Morales from the Philadelphia Orchestra. He's going to come in. Definitely a Q&A session with him about his life as a clarinet player, because it's absolutely amazing. He started very young.
I remember him then as just having this infectious laugh, and he's still has that. And he's, as Katina said, so friendly and open, and he will be so wonderful just to get a chance to kind of hang out with him, basically.
And a great person to pick his brain. He's a good teacher, so he has a lot of good advice there too. So this is where we are with the Mason Summer Clarinet Academy, and we do hope you can join us. It will be so much fun. So it'll be like this, and we can talk to each other. And one of the things that we want to do in the mornings is just a check-in where we all can chat and ask questions, in addition to working on technique. So every day we're still going to keep our technique class and our warm-ups class. So Kathy and I will be doing that in the morning. But a big part of the Clarinet Academy is the community and talking with each other. And doing Zoom this way, we can still keep that. And I'm really excited about people from all over the country and the world to be a part of it with us this year.
Yeah, that will add a new element, and I'm pretty excited about that as well.
Yeah, and we're keeping it small, so I do recommend registering sooner rather than later so that you can lock your spot in, so you don't lose a chance to do this. So thank you everybody for watching this video. Please let us know if you have any comments or questions. We are here to answer them, and have a great day. Bye.
Bye.